now we're going to look at some ways to indicate exponents. And you may be familiar with exponents already. Okay, I would read this 3 squared, just like you see here in words, 3 squared. It could also be read 3 to the 2nd power. Okay, but squaring 3 and 3 squared these mean an exponent of 2. So anytime you see square a number or a number squared, that means an exponent of 2. So this is the exponent. So the 2 is the exponent, and 3 is the base. Okay, so the big number written at the bottom of your line on your paper is the base. And by big, I mean it's larger in scale. And then the 2 is up to the right just a little bit. That's the exponent. That's where the exponent would be. 3 squared means multiply 2 3's together. So 3 times 3, we've got 2 3's equals 9. Okay, now the next one involves an exponent of 3. This is 4 cubed, okay, which is written in words here. Could be read as 4 to the 3rd power, or we could say cube 4. Okay, so if you see cube, that means an exponent of 3, which in this case means multiply 3 4's together. So 4 times 4 times 4. Now, when you multiply the first 2 4's together, you get 16, and there's still a 4 left over, and then you do 16 times 4 is 64. So an exponent of 3 can also be indicated by using the word cube. And then beyond that, we have no special words for exponents of 4, 5, 6, etc. Instead, when they get beyond an exponent of 3, like in this case 2 to the 5th power, that's exactly what we say. 2 to the 5th, 2 to the 5th power, raise 2 to the 5th power, any of those. If it said to the 7th power, that would mean an exponent of 7. So in this case, 2 to the 5th means multiply 5 2's together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2's. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 should give you a grand total of 32. Just multiply your way from left to right until you get to your answer. Okay, let's take this example. This says to cube 5. Okay, now when I see cube 5, I know that means I have an exponent of 3 on the 5, on a base of 5. So I'm going to rewrite it. Okay, just like I said, it's an exponent of 3 on a base of 5. Okay, so cube means exponent 3. Well, this means 5 times 5 times 5. Multiply 3 5's together. Multiply the first 2 together. 5 times 5 is 25, and then this little guy's left over here. Then 25 times 5 should give you 125 as a final answer. Here are several practice exercises. There are, let's see, 8 in all. So you may want to pause the tape, copy down these first 2, then start the tape up again as I show you 2 or 3 at a time. And here are the last 4 practice exercises. So write these down, pause the tape, work all of the problems, and when you have finished, turn the tape back on and you will see the answers displayed. Here are the answers to the practice exercises. Notice there is no answer for number 8 because number 8 told you to check problem number 4, so you should have known already whether problem number 4 was correct or not.